So hello and welcome to another video. And in today's video we will be talking about something known as the regret minimization principle by Jeff Bezos. Sometimes you are confused. You are confused as to what to do. What career should I choose? Should I start this business? Should I start my YouTube channel? Should I date this girl? Should I marry this girl that I've been dating for a while? These are all things that will have a deep impact on your life. And to mess that decisions is like messing up your whole life. So in today's video, we'll learn about a decision making principle that is used by Jeff Bezos himself, that he has used for a large period of time, and by using that he has developed his business and he has created Amazon. And this mental model is really simple. It's called as the regret minimization principle. And just like it sounds, it aims to minimize the regret that you'll have in your life. Whenever faced with difficult choices, let your future self, that is your 80-year-old self, make the decision. Exercise that you need to do is that you need to go to your future and imagine yourself on your deathbed and ask yourself, will you regret doing this? Will you regret not starting this business? Will you regret not starting your YouTube channel? Will you regret not dating that girl that you like? Will you regret not marrying the girl that you have been dating for a while? And if your answer is yes, you will regret, then do that stuff. Because you get only one life, and having a regret is like a wound that would never heal. That will only keep getting worse over time. And you can use this simple principle at many aspects of your life, just like I told you, to make your career decisions, to make your business decisions, to make your side hustle decisions, to make your relationship decisions. Every decision can be taken through this method. But remember, this is a method to take long-term decisions. Decisions that you are going to stick for a long period of time. And you shouldn't use this principle to take short-term decisions. Remember, failure is better than regret. Even if you fail, you are still getting the experience, the lessons that you learn from that failure. So if you are going to regret not doing it, do it. And that's it for today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to us, subscribe to us. Because here we help young men become the best version of themselves. So see you in another video, and until then, have a great time.